Welcome to Vitality VIP's Wellness Elite channel. Let's start.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mary who supports natural healing methods. In today's video, we will talk about the health benefits of common plantain, which is a very popular and widely used herb in our country. Here is a list of health benefits mentioned in bullet points. 1. Smoking. In 1992, in the state of New Jersey in the United States, it was found that an extract from common plantain causes a strong aversion to tobacco, even in heavy smokers. This extract is so effective that it has been used in anti-smoking patches, which have been patented under number 5,716,635. Is the secret of many anti-smoking patches, which unfortunately are not among the cheapest. 2. Nerve damage. Common plantain can be a wonderful remedy for neurological diseases. This plant contains aucubin, which is an iridine glycoside. Aucubin not only protects nerve cells from death, but also promotes the differentiation of neurons, for example, their growth and multiplication. Aucubin causes the elongation of nerve cells and remyelination. However, it should be noted that this applies to the peripheral nervous system, so this substance cannot be used, for example, in the case of multiple sclerosis. Nevertheless, it should be a valuable supplement to the treatment of polyneuropathy, which often accompanies diabetes, alcoholism, autoimmune diseases, and numerous infectious diseases. 3. The content of baekeline. Baekeline demonstrates anti-inflammatory properties as it inhibits some lipoxygenases. Baekeline can prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, thus protecting the eyes of elderly individuals. Baekeline also reduces levels of stress and anxiety. It has been observed that when administered with the oncology drug paclitaxel, which is used in the treatment of breast, ovarian, and lung cancer, baekeline contributed significantly to the death of ovarian cancer cells after 48 hours. 4. Oleanolic acid. Before discussing this compound, it is essential to note that in China, this substance is mandatory for all liver diseases with an inflammatory state. What do we know about this substance, which is present in common plantain? Oleanolic acid can be very useful in treating periodontitis. Periodontitis, which occurs with inflammation, causes loss of bone in the tooth socket in which teeth are anchored. Oleanolic acid inhibits bone resorption, and there is strong evidence that it can promote the regeneration of lost bone. In addition, oleanolic acid is one of the few substances that inhibits the negative impact of mercury on the human body, preventing the negative effects of mercury and accumulation in tissues. Returning to the topic of the liver, it is worth mentioning its antiviral activity against hepatitis B and C viruses. 5. Kidney protection. Common plantain protects our kidneys from damage caused by oncology drugs. In a study conducted in Iran in 2018, it was found that common plantain protects against kidney damage caused by cisplatin, an oncology drug used in the treatment of testicular cancer, ovarian cancer, lung cancer, bladder cancer, melanoma, and many head and neck cancers. So, to summarize briefly, common plantain will protect our kidneys and also protect and partly regenerate our nervous system. Common plantain will also protect the eyes of older people, especially against cataracts and macular degeneration. The same applies to our liver. Regardless of the cause of its damage, common plantain will protect this organ. And finally, periodontitis and smoking. For some of these applications, a simple infusion of common plantain will suffice, but in not all cases, infusion will be appropriate. The problem here will be the temperature, as well as the ability to dissolve active substances. For subscribers, I'm going to prepare an extension of this video in which I explain how to make an infusion of common plantain to use the aforementioned substances and their beneficial effects on our body. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video.